Small, medium, or large, Domino's Pizza wants your order to arrive in one piece.
We all know that potholes can be pretty bad here in central Indiana, but now there is one northern Indiana city that's going to get some help fixing it from a pretty unlikely source. Domino's Pizza
potholes are still out there, but there's less around tonight in one local community.
Domino's Pizza has launched a new campaign to fill, get this, potholes all across the United States.
600,000 flat tires, 40,000 blown shocks, and countless wrecked pizzas. Despite the popular sentiment that
infrastructure is not a sexy or glamorous topic,
we, a pizza company, decided to pave potholes where our customers needed it most.
Domino's Pizza has launched a new campaign.
Not because we wanted to fix infrastructure.
It's called Paving for Pizza.
But because bad roads can ruin good pizza. In just the first week, people in every state nominated their town on pavingforpizza.com. On their behalf, we worked to partner with local governments. We got some no's.
We're gonna have to say no for the time being.
But plenty of yeses.
I just wrote down yes to everything. I know.
Soon we were hitting the pavement, literally, beginning in towns like Bartonville, Texas. The response was overwhelming, and we realized we had to help people get their pizza home smoothly, no matter where they carry out. So we committed to paving in all 50 states. We had over 1 billion media impressions. Some of those people couldn't believe a pizza company was paving roads.
Today is Paving for Pizza, and the city staff applied for a grant from Domino's Pizza for $5,000 to pave some of our potholes. We were the only city in the state of Colorado to receive the grant. So we're having a big pizza party on house to win.
This is one of the most exciting days for Elaine Pence to pick up lunch. She found out some news that will help her have a smoother ride.
Domino's had picked Buena Vista to repair the potholes.
The first city in the Commonwealth to get that honor. Pence is celebrating by ordering 2 pizzas from the local Domino's.
I'm here today to celebrate that Domino's is helping Buena Vista get their potholes fixed and to thank them for that.
But many more believed us, invited us, welcomed us.
Town council was ecstatic that a private company would want to donate to our road.
And thanked us.
Domino's doing the Lord's work. I'll tell you that.
For working to keep pizzas safe. Did Domino's help fix America's roads, all for the love of pizza?